Hi guys, I'm ZY, project manager at NexPCB. Actually, we have a business trip in London last week due to we delivery kinds of the product to our customer and they based in London. So we went to there to help them to finish, help them to assemble the device, final steps, and packing, something like that. So yeah, let's start. Well, I think the industry is basically related to the sleeping wake up industry. Yeah. Well, I think based on our service methodology, actually we offer them in the beginning about the consulting, kinds of the consulting, business kinds of consulting, and the second is we do one round, prototype round for them. We just build several devices for them testing. After that, we build around 250 pieces, PCBs, and enclosures, and everything shipped to London, and they can have assembly in London. Yeah. Actually, I think after we ship those parts uh, to London, and their team is quite new and just start the hub business after they graduate from the college, get their PhD. So we just want to see that how they assemble the device and what we can do for them. I mean, since we have lots of the experience about assembly and pack device. So we just want to see the in person. I mean, not only maintain the relationship, but also we can see the real world, how they assemble the device, and what we can do during this, time period to help them to accelerate the to launch the device on the market. Well, I think we do a lot here after we, arrived at the office. Actually, they didn't finish the decoration of their assembly line. Therefore, they assembled the device in kinds of the sharing workspace. So the condition there is, the environment and condition there is not, well, it's not suitable for production, assembly. So first of all, we discuss with him how to separate the assembly order, not a station, and how to assembly. Especially we do the web for the microphone connector, since they just push some, simple components and without any, how to say, connector. So we need to make the connector first with microphone, and after that we do a lot of the assembly steps for them, since they only have two people there, the co-founder and the CEO. So we do, basically we do everything for them. During this trip. Well, in this part, actually, I maybe can set touch about this, since we have an NDA with them. So future about the device, I think maybe they can have a very beautiful design, and they help people to wake up after maybe you only have a nap, small short nap. So this kind of functional is very useful for people who want to take a nap in the after lunch. So yeah.